Good morning, Chris Vernon with Vernon Litigation Group. Today I want to give you my take on this fiduciary rule, which has been in the news lately, and I'm talking about the fiduciary rule in the securities industry, where it's come to light through an investigative report by the Wall Street Journal that a number of comments sent to the federal government regarding the fiduciary rule have been falsified comments saying that the fiduciary rule is a bad idea. And this is a felony. But apparently, big business, big securities business, directly or indirectly, is willing to commit these felonies to avoid the fiduciary rule, which I think is completely absurd. This is something that's been discussed on and off since the financial crisis in 2008. At one point, everybody acknowledged we had to have the fiduciary rule, but somehow big government or big business has avoided to a great extent, other than the fiduciary rule within retirement accounts, avoided just a blanket fiduciary rule. And what I mean by the fiduciary rule is that investment professionals should, and we argue they do, but they should clearly under the law have a duty to act in the best interest of their clients. Now, it kind of, in my mind, and in your mind, I bet, defies common sense that they claim they don't have that duty. Because if you go to a CPA, if you go to a lawyer, if you go to a doctor, you assume correctly that they have a duty to always act in your best interest. And if you watch the TV commercials that these brokerage firms run or see any of the other advertising, which focuses greatly on trust, you would think that they assume they have a fiduciary duty to you. However, when problems develop, you'll see them say, no, we never had a fiduciary duty to you. And again, I think this is completely absurd. I don't know why it's taken 10 years to discuss it and not fully implement it, but I urge you, if you have any opportunity through investing, through commenting, even at a cocktail party, to say you're not going to do business with somebody who doesn't have a fiduciary duty to you and does not act in your best interest at all times, especially with your life savings. Have a great day.